In this video, we're diving into TrialWorks, a comprehensive legal case management software that aims to simplify the daily operations of law firms. When you first open the platform, you're greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface. It's designed to help legal professionals manage cases, documents, and billing all in one place. Whether you're working on personal injury cases or any other legal matter, TrialWorks streamlines the process. The dashboard is easy to navigate, with quick access to recent cases, upcoming deadlines, and essential documents. One of the standout features is the Case Management tool, which lets you organize and track all aspects of a case. From creating new cases to managing contacts and appointments, everything is centralized, making it a huge time saver. TrialWorks also provides solid document management features. You can upload, store, and easily access case documents within the system. This eliminates the hassle of keeping paper files or dealing with scattered digital files across multiple devices. Plus, it integrates well with other software like Outlook and Microsoft Office, making document collaboration straightforward. In addition, the billing and accounting tools help law firms manage finances seamlessly. You can create invoices, track expenses, and even manage trust accounts directly within the platform. This helps maintain an organized and accurate financial record for each case, which is critical for law firm operations. For larger firms, TrialWorks supports case automation, allowing you to create custom workflows. This is helpful for handling repetitive tasks and ensures consistency across your team. Another benefit is the mobile app, which allows you to access case information and updates from anywhere, whether you're in the office or out in the field. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Now, one potential downside to TrialWorks is its price point. It may not be the most cost-effective option for solo practitioners or smaller law firms, but for larger firms, the functionality justifies the investment. Overall, TrialWorks is a feature-rich tool that can significantly boost efficiency in law firm operations. If you're looking for a comprehensive case management solution, this software is worth considering. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on legal tech solutions.